So, gusto nyo bang maging mayaman at magkaroon ng golden temple or golden bahay na ganito? Pues, ito ang dapat na maging 4 na best friends ninyo para kayo ay yumaman. Ang first best friend dapat natin sa pagyaman ay ang accountant dahil dapat nagbabayad tayo ng tamang taxes. In my case, nung una akong nagtayo ng business, I hired a bookkeeper because I couldn't really take care of all the finances already, the financial transactions, hanggang sa mapoprofessionalize siya, and I got an external auditor. So I used to have Ernst & Young as our auditor at ngayon PricewaterhouseCoopers naman ang aming auditor. So there, you have to be very clear na safe ang iyong ginagawa at nagbabayad tayo ng taxes. The second best friend para sa pagyaman ay ang abogado. Why? Because we want to make all of our transactions legal and above board. Okay? You can start by hiring a lawyer on a per transaction basis. Tapos kapag dumadalas na ang mga transactions, you can actually get them on a retainer basis. In my case, I am actually exploring on getting a law firm right now because we plan to float securities with the Securities and Exchange Commission, and we need a law firm to do that. Okay? The third best friend that you need to have para sa pagyaman ay pagkakaroon ng bank manager. You always have to do your financial transactions with the bank because they are compliant with the Anti-Money Laundering Act. Okay? And then with the bank, you can also form a relationship and you can build leveraging. You can do leveraging with them. Your capital can be leveraged with bank financing. The bank manager can also give you investment opportunities. Siya yung magbibigay sa'yo ng ano yung mga bonds na available or UITFs or mutual funds that you could actually take advantage of. And the last one, and this is how I use the bank managers, no? When I do ask for connections and networks, they're the best ones to na maging source ng information dahil marami silang mga kilalang mga kliyente who are, let's say, the best suppliers in the business. Okay? And the last one, of course, na best friend natin para sa pagyaman, kinakailangan maging best friend natin ng doktor because sabi nga nila, health is wealth. Okay? And we have to have health-seeking behavior para tayo ay maging masigla at malusog and we can enjoy yung mga pinaghirapan nating pera. So yan ang 4 na best friends natin sa pagyaman: bank manager, accountant, lawyer, at doktor. Ako si Sir Vince dito sa Kyoto, nagsasabing ang pagyaman na pag-aaralan.